A very good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. So, we have started the chapter number 5, right? So, moving further in the chapter number 5, in the last lecture, we have finished up to the page number 56. So, starting from the new topic, the park behind Gappu's house. This is one small activity which we are going to do. So, let's start it. The park behind Gappu's house. Do you remember the park behind Gappu's house? Yes, we do remember. This is the Gappu's house and this is the park behind his house. Here is a big picture of that park. Look at it carefully and answer the questions. So, we have to observe the picture carefully and then we have to answer it. So, let's see. This is the Gappu's house, right? From the Gappu's house to the park, we can enter through gate number. See, here you can see letter C is written. Gate number C. Here you can see gate number D. Here A. Here B. Right? Okay. So this is sweet shop. Moving further, let's start the question answer of this activity. The first question is mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. So you have to mark the gate which is nearest to the sweet shop. So we know that this is the sweet shop. So comparing the distance between all the gates, see from the sweet shop, the distance to D is this much. The distance to C is this much. Distance to B is this much, right? But the distance between the sweet shop and the gate A, you can clearly see. This is the smallest distance, right? Yes, here you can see this is the smallest distance. So your answer will be A. Now, moving further, which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? Similarly, see, this is the Gappu's house. So let's see the distance first. This is the distance we have to travel to enter through gate D. This is the distance we have to travel to enter through gate B. And the longest distance we can clearly see this is from the A. But the nearest is C, right? You can see here the nearest is C. We can easily go in the park through gate C. So your answer will be C. Gate C. If you enter from gate B, the green bench will be to your left, right, or front. So firstly we have to identify the gate B. So here you can see the gate B, right? So now what is the question? The green bench will be to your left or right. So now we are entering through this gate, right? We are entering through this gate. So our right will be in this side and our left will be in this side. Agree? This will be our right side. This will be our left side. So the green bench is on the left hand side, right? So your answer will be on the left side. Moving further, when Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Okay, so here you can see the flower bed. When Suhani entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. Which gate did she enter from? So the nearest gate are the D and A. You can clearly see the nearest gate are D and A. So your answer will be D because by entering from this side this portion will be the right hand side, okay, right side. This will be the left side, right? So the answer is D. Which of this is the nearest to you if you enter from gate C? Now let's see where is the gate C. Here the gate C is there. So we have to see what is nearest. So the option are basketball court. So the basketball is at this distance. The second one is flower bed. So that is at this distance. You can see that. The C option is green bench. Okay, it is up to here. And the last one, seesaw. Seesaw is here. And the distance is only just little bit. Okay, so your answer will be 4C. So this is an activity which we have completed. The next activity is Ismail's home. So you have to read this activity and try to solve this question answer by your own. Okay, you can write the answer in your rough book right now. In the next lecture, we will discuss this activity and answer the following question of this activity. Thank you.